The Boston Marathon Tragedy Video by Julianna Walker. Every April 15th, Boston, Massachusetts holds a marathon called Boston Marathon. The Boston Marathon had begun in 1897. It was inspired by the success of the first modern-day marathon competition in the 1896 Summer Olympics. I think it shows one of America's athletic communities at its best and brings people together. It was a positive part of American history until tragedy struck in 2013. At around 2:50 p.m., the first bomb went off, followed by another. Over 130 people injured, 3 people killed. Lou, Lindsay, Martin, Richard, and Chrissy Campbell. Helpers rushing to the scene, firefighters and ambulance paramedics and more helped. It was a terrible sight. Anybody could have done it. People were being terrorized on the internet. People were falsely accused. The whole city of Boston was on lockdown. Until they have found them, a 21-year-old and a 19-year-old, both from Chechnya. There was a shooting between the two suspects and the police. A nearby house caught the scene on tape and got more help. The police had found them and located them on thermal camera. 21-year-old dead and 19-year-old wanted. And the 19-year-old would not talk to anyone. And one night, the police had shot him after he wrote a confession on the side of the boat he had hidden. He could not find paper but found a pen, so he wrote a confession on the interior of the boat. No one really knows what happened or why they did it. The Boston Marathon still remains a mystery.